Hello, welcome to my channel. It's a bit of a review, to be honest. Stuff I've been using in the truck and in the car. A bit of a brew. I do apologise for some of the colours of the containers, but as you can see, I've used them. So, what do I use first? Right, so Demon Glass. Now, I bought it because it was cheap, to be honest, and I weren't expecting great results. Active glass cleaner. To be honest, I'm impressed with it. It gets rid of the grime, the grease, and it does the job. It's got a bit of an anti-mist. Yeah, I got it to clean the glass. Let me just. So that's what that is. I bought this from Asda. I think it was £3, £4. But as you can see, you know, it's quite a hefty thing, so it lasts quite a while. Yeah, and it's not bad. A couple of squirts, paper cloth, and your windscreen and your glass is clean. And I even use it on my mirrors. So that's that. The next one. Now, because I was impressed with that, I bought upholstery cleaner shampoo. Now, I'm not sure exactly I'm using it right. I shake the bottle, spray it on, and then I wipe it off. But it gets rid of some of the dirt, and you don't smell better. As you can imagine, trucks can get quite filthy, especially if you take it over from somewhere else. So I'm using this quite regular to try and get the seats up, because there's a couple of stain marks and coming off slowly but surely, and also the mattress in the sleeper cab, and it seems to be doing quite well. So yeah, I'm like I say, I'm quite impressed with it. Also from that same shop, I assume you can get it from other places, but that's where I saw these from. So the next few. This, what looks like milkshake, is chrome pink. Now, if you speak to any truck driver, they swear by it. It doesn't smell particularly nice, but it's a cleaner polish. And if you listen to them, they pretty much use it for everything: interior, exterior, plastics, pretty much the whole shebang. It's one job, multi-job in one bottle. I've only just started using it. I bought a 5 litre container and this spray bottle as a dispenser. It worked out cheaper, but yeah, it's supposed to be multiple purposes. Still using it. It's once it's dry, it's great. What I have been informed is if the surface you use to polish it on keeps getting wet, it can leave streak marks, but I'm not sure because it's not done it on me yet. So that's that. It's called chrome pink. Next piece I've used, it's called Chrome Mega Clean General Purpose Cleaner. What can I say? It's strong. It will get grease from plastics, oil from great on UPC window frames. It pretty much cleans what I've tried it on, anything. You know, I got grease on my rear mudguards, sprayed that on, waited 5-10 minutes, and it wiped off like it was butter. It does say spray it onto surfaces to be clean and allowed to dwell but not dry, then simply wipe away. And it does. It simply wipes away. So that is Chrome Mega Clean. Okay. Now then, the next product I bought, I was slightly dubious about it, thinking, really? It can do that? Now then, I started eating my own words, so to speak. Chrome Trim Gel. This is a dressing gel for tyres, plastics, basically what it says here, a gel dressing to give your tyres and trims that wet new look, and it does. Finish very easy to use with a luxurious grape fragrance, and it does smell quite nice. Tyres, plastics, rubbers, dressings, leaves as new for your exterior trims. Simply add a little to your applicator pad, and the gel formula will just spread. Now, it does, and he said you only use a very small amount. Size of a pea. And yeah, it does, and it spreads like you can't believe. The applicator they recommend is a little yellow foam pad. Now, that is great for flat surfaces. And yeah, I use it, and it does soak the excess gel up. So, to be honest, once it's impregnated on the foam pad, you can keep using it, and it does keep it clean, and it seems to get better the more layers you put on. You know, it deepens the shine the more you put on. As for tyres and stuff like that, I bought a little radiator roller, you know, the ones which are like 6 inches with a tray, and I put a little bit in that, about well, how much do I put in? About a thimbleful, or maybe 2 thimblefuls, or if you look at it as an egg cup, half an egg cup. And it normally does a couple of wheels, and I roll it on with a roller, and then I'll get a old sponge or an old microfiber, and I'll just go around it to spread it a little bit if it in the gaps like where the rims are. But it is absolutely buzzing. I can't believe it. You know, I bought all this Chrome stuff directly from Chrome at Knutsford Truck Fest. The truck hasn't been cleaned for a few years, and it's the bumpers, the mud guards are coming up like new now, and I've used about that much. Yeah, impressed. Yeah, that one, like I said, mega clean, is really good, but I'm using that quite a lot. Now then, so the next product, I was recommended it by one of the other truck drivers for the exhausts and the anything chromish or metal. I've tried it. It looks all right. I've not tried it with a bit of anger yet, but this is called, and you basically have to give it a bit of a shake because it separates, as you can see, and it comes up white, and it's called White Diamond Metal Polish. Long-lasting sealant, removes oxidation and discoloration from aluminium, brass, chrome, stainless steel, returning service to a brilliant shine. Also works great on discoloured headlights. Right. And that seems to be working really well. It's white diamond metal polish. Now, to make my life easier, which I'm going to do, I bought a hand cordless drill polisher kit. I've not used it yet, as you can see, because I'm a little bit confused. You've got a woolly pad, you've got a foam white, which is quite dense, a blue, which is softer, a yellow ridged one. You get a white ridged one as well, I just can't remember where I put it. A blue one, a foam flat one, yellow, and a black ridged. Now, I assume these are applicators. I don't know how, or how you do them. I assume that's for ridged areas, them are for ridged areas, that's for ridged areas, and these are for flat surfaces, but I've not tried it yet, so I can't comment. What else? I always use rubber gloves to protect my skin, because as you can see, I've got a bit of a skin problem. And then if I get my hands dirty, pardon me, I use elbow grease. Super tough. It's like Swarfiga in a squeezy bottle. You'll get like, when you put it in your hands, you feel like a little bit of grit, and that helps it break down the dirt on your hands. So that is what I carry. There's other stuff like I bought before I went to truck shop. Back to black tyre trim, not opened yet. What else? Cockpit, put my teeth in. Essential cockpit cleaner. That's not bad, that. But I'm using a spray what I got from Asda, multi-purpose cleaner, and that seems to be working as well. Bring it back to black. Now that's a cheaper version of that back to black, the other one. If it's something very small and not as dirty, that does work just as good. But if you want a deeper black shine, then the other one, which one is that one, seems to be slightly better, I believe. But I then got that trim gel, hence that's why that's not open. So that is my cleaning products. And like I said, you know, if truckers use them, they've got to have something about them. Right then, so if you're thinking about getting them, the nearest places, I live in Oldham Shaw. The nearest places you can get chrome is either online from that well-known online marketing place, what has like a bluish fan what delivers, which I will probably put affiliated links on it, where you can purchase this stuff, but I will make a small income on it, but nothing great. I'm talking pennies. Or there's a truck services in Lim what sells them, but also very soon, I'm talking days now, There's a car shop in Shaw near a bike shop called MAS, and he's on the process of getting stock of this stuff. So if you're interested in having some of this stuff and you live in the Oldham area, including truck drivers, and you're looking at somewhere to get this stuff, have a pop into MES in Shaw. They should have some of this in stock, and you know, let them know who you've heard it from, Trucking Lee on YouTube. And that's my review. It's not a paid review, it's my own products, my own stuff, my own money, and it's what I use, and I hope you like it. And yeah, do I recommend them? Definitely. Trim gel, definitely an 8 out of 10. The cleaner, 8 out of 10. Chrome pink, not used it a lot, so I can't comment. Demon glass cleaner, 7 out of 10. The Demon upholstery cleaner, 7. White diamond polish, I've only just quickly done one. What I saw brought it up really pretty well. I think you need a lot of elbow grease to get something that's not been cleaned for a while, hence that's why I got a polisher for the hand cordless drill. I will probably do a review on that once I start using it with a bit of anger. So that's it. Please like and subscribe. If you're interested in this, please leave a comment, or if you've got questions, please leave a question on the descriptions below. Like I said, anything affiliated, I will make a small. I'll make a small amount of money. Nothing serious. And I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for staying till the end. Like and subscribe. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Anything helps with YouTube. I could do with a few more subscribers, you know, but it's slow and it's growing. But thank you very much for your time, and I hope you like my review. Anybody out there who wants to have a review, or for me to review any of your products, please get in touch and we'll have a discussion. Okay? Thank you very much for your time. Like and subscribe once again. All the best. Speak to you soon. Bye bye.